And I didn't tell you about the time I read the Bible. I read the Bible to the neighbor, and she said, "Read, the Christmas story." And I was reading it to her, and it said, and they rode the ass, and I wouldn't say it. I said, they rode the ace.
said it wrong.
I knew that was a bad word, and I wouldn't say it. And she made me say it. No, it's ass. I don't remember that neighbor's name.
So you used to read the Bible to your neighbor, to your mom too. You used to read the Bible.
Yes, after I learned to read. My mother couldn't read fast. Mm-hmm. She had such a little bit of education. She went to the 6th grade, but then she didn't ever use it, when she grew up. Mm-hmm. But she couldn't write very well, but they wanted her to sign a document at one time, and they said, we can just put an X and you can, for your money, and she wouldn't have any part of it. She took her time and wrote her name. Wish I had it.